Sorry for the noise, there's some generators and stuff running, but this is Nick with Clark County Plumbing and Drain. I am at the Heritage Trail job site. I've gained access through the existing concrete holding tank, and I'm going to push down as far as I can into this. So here you can see what appears to be a Y on its back with another line tying in upstream of it. I'm going to continue pushing down. Here you can see some water pouring in from the top of the pipe. And here we are in the new catch basin. I'm going to pause the video here and I'm going to go into the new catch basin and I'm going to push up as far as I can. There won't be much talking. I'm down in the pipe in the new catch basin, and I'm going to push up as far as I can. As far as I can push there, and this concludes my inspection.